Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Punk's World. I hope you guys are doing great. Before I start today's video, I would like to thank each one of you. Thank you for supporting me and loving me so much. Thank you all, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, you can follow me on my social media handles. You will find it in the description box. So today's video will be a holy look. I thought of sharing it with you all. I'll be doing it today, like what I generally do or how I like to look in holy. And again, I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just sharing my ideas and what I do because I love doing it and I love makeup, so I am sharing with you all. And I hope you will like it. If yes, then give a thumbs up, and also you can comment below, and you can tell me what else do you want to see. So let's get started. So guys, prior applying makeup, I have set my face with sunscreen, and I am using matte shield from Ecstasy. This is for all skin type. I have given the product details in the description. So you should be applying sunscreen. It's very important if you are going out, or if you're doing makeup, or especially if you're playing Holi and all. So you should be using sunscreen at least prior 10 minutes before applying or before going outside, 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll be using first, okay, let me set my hair. So I'll set my hair with this cute little hair clips. These are from StyleBiz. You can check their page. I have mentioned in the description box. It's very important to set your hair, otherwise it will be difficult for you to get ready. Sorry for this. So I'll start with the first step, which is the primer. Again, if you're going out for Holi, make sure you're applying little makeup, not too much, because I don't do it actually. If you want, you can. There's no hard and fast rule. So I'll take a small amount. It's from Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, and it's a totally love for me. So this is in gel base. So what I'll do, I'll apply in the T-zone areas of my skin like this, and then I'll spread the primer and then press gently into my skin. I'll also apply it in my neck area. It's very important to cover your neck, the corner of your face and ears. We generally have a tendency to forget. So, and leave it for 10 to 15 seconds to settle down. So guys, I'll be skipping two of the steps, which is color corrector, which I generally don't use it because I don't have too much dark circles. If you want, you can use color corrector. Make sure it's a correct shade for your skin. And I will not use concealer as well. I don't want to. That's the reason. You can use it again. It's your choice. So I'll be directly going the foundation. So I am using Super Stay Maybelline 24H Full Coverage Foundation. I'll take a small amount, a pump of it like this, and then I will be applying it in the skin like this. So guys, correct shade is very important. Otherwise your makeup will turn grey. So make sure you are using correct shade, and always start with a less amount. If needed, add more, but don't take too much of it, otherwise it will turn patchy and greasy and you will not like it. Now I'll have to blend. So I'll take a blender, and you have to use a wet blender. You can make it wet by using a fixer spray, or you can use water as well. So let's start blending. So guys, I'm done with the blending part, and I'll not use anything else. I'll be setting this look with a little bit of compact, which is called Lakme Absolute White Intense White and Dry Compact. Again, it's in the shade Ivory. I'll take a little bit, just a little bit, and I will set it up like this. And yes, my base is ready. I will not do much today, as I told. I'll not be using blush. I'll do it that part later on. I'll show you what I'll do. Now I'll set my eyebrows. I still don't have a hand mirror. I'll be using this mirror. I want to get one. So I'll just set my eyebrow. I should apply eyeshadow a little bit, but then what I'll do is I'll use this lipstick and I will use this as the eyeshadow. Just to give a tint, a color to it. That's the reason, otherwise you can skip. I will use this as a blush, and I will blend it again. Now I'll be applying the same lipstick. This is from Lakme Absolute. It's called Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and it is in the shade is 23 Pink Poison. I absolutely love this color. So guys, before applying lipstick, it's very important you use lip balm. I'll show you. Give me 1 minute. I kept it somewhere here. I'm not able to find it, but then yeah, I got it. So this is from Ecstasy again, and this is called Pink Crush Lip Balm. It's organic and it's very cool. You will get a little light pink tint as well. You can see. So before applying lipstick, I always make sure that I use lip balm or a lip oil, whichever you want to do. So almost my lipstick is done. Yeah, I'm done with the makeup. So what I'll do today is I will not use any makeup fixer spray, but I'll be using this cucumber green toner, which is from Ecstasy. It works as a fixer spray as well, so I'll be using this, and I'll let my face dry. And it will give you a beautiful feeling because it's refreshing, and you will get that cucumber wala feeling, which is like very cool effect. I'll give the link in the description. So yes, I'm done with my face. Yeah, I'll open this clip. So guys, I am ready with the makeup. I wear just kajal, nothing else, and I am wearing this super cool neck piece from Stylewiz. I have given the link in the description. If you are wearing any solid color or dress, you can wear this kind of thing. This looks super cool, and the material is so different. So I really loved it. so I'll be posting a close-up picture over here so that you guys can understand. And yes, I'm almost done. So one tip, guys, if you are going going out to play Holi, then always tie your hair. I will be doing it. I'll do a messy bun. I'll just take my hair. Make sure you can also oil your hair if you want, or else you should be using a good serum. I'll be doing like this and I am ready. So that's it for the video, and I hope you liked it. If yes, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends, and do tag me if you are taking any of the tips from my video on my Insta page. And take care, love you all, bye bye, happy Holi.